Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best dual monitor stand. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Wide monitor compatibility. The Vivo V002F supports monitors from 13 to 27 inches and can hold up to 22 pounds per screen. That covers most modern monitors, whether you're using a lightweight flat panel or a heavier, high-resolution display. It supports VESA mounting patterns of 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeters, so it's compatible with a wide range of brands like Dell, Asus, Acer, LG, and more. Full articulation for optimal positioning. The Vivo V002F dual monitor stand offers full articulation for optimal positioning, giving you complete control over how your monitors are placed. With a tilt range from plus 90 degrees to 90 degrees, 180 degree swivel, 360-degree rotation, and height adjustability along the sensor pole, it's easy to find the perfect viewing angle. You can switch between landscape and portrait modes, reduce screen glare, or swivel the monitors for collaboration. It's ideal for work, entertainment, or creative tasks. Sturdy base for enhanced stability. The stand has a heavy-duty base that measures 13 by 10.5 inches. It's built to keep your monitor stable and secure. Even better, the base is padded so your desk stays scratch-free. Great if you're using a wood or glass desk. No slipping, no tipping, just solid support. Cable management system. No one likes cable clutter. Thankfully, the Vivo V002F includes detachable cable clips along the arms and sensor pole. These help route your cables neatly, creating a clean and professional-looking workspace. It's a small feature with a big impact. Straightforward installation. Setting it up is simple. The detachable VESA plates make mounting your monitors easier than ever. All the hardware and instructions are included, so you don't need to be a DIY expert. Even if it's your first monitor stand, the process is smooth and stress-free. Pros. Fits most setups with a wide range of monitor sizes and weights. Highly adjustable to find the perfect angle and height. Rock-solid stability with a heavy base that keeps everything in place. Desk-friendly with a padded bottom that protects surfaces. Tidy workspace with built-in cable management to reduce clutter. Easy to install with clear instructions and included hardware. Cons. Takes up desk space with a wide base that uses more surface area. No clamp option, so it may not suit those wanting to free up desk space. Fixed sensor pole means height adjusts only along the main support. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the Vivo V002F dual monitor stand is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desk setup. It's sturdy, versatile, and user-friendly with just the right mix of functionality and design. If you're tired of limited screen space or neck strain from poor monitor positioning, this stand will completely transform how you work or play. We highly recommend checking it out, especially for home offices, gaming setups, and creative workstations. Check the link in the description to see the current price and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews right here on Back Tech Product. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.